Alright, we're at beautiful Fort Narith right now, and in this video I wanted to show you how you can access all those juicy key rooms, or keypad rooms I should rather say, because these rooms won't even require you to have keys. They just require you to go to a place, check up for some codes, and then you can enter them into a keypad. So yeah, I cleared out this place already, so as you can see there's a bunch of that AI laying around. There might be more towards the main entrance. And currently I am at the barracks site for the first location. This is barrack B, this is barrack C, this is barrack A. So as you can see we have barrack A right here. After you cleared out this place, you can walk up the staircase. There can be AI on the second floor, so be aware of that. Like as you can see here, and there was another guy on the other side as well. And then once you came up here, you will have to go to room A204. And inside of room A204, there will be a book, and it has 6 codes in it for a server room. And this server room is inside the main building, and I'm going to show you the location of that in a second as well. Alright, so this is me from the future, and I cleared out the whole Fort Narith area for this video. So when I got to the HQ where the server room is located at, these codes, or the code, wasn't working anymore. To be specific, this list contains usually 6 codes, or it contains 6 codes, and it's always the last code that you want to use on the server room door. It's also the only code that always changes, so yeah, use the last code, and now I'm going to show you the location. Alright, so for the last keypad location, we are at Fort Narith, and we are at the HQ this time around. It's the right side entrance actually, so we're looking at it here. There's the ramp going down towards the ACT and everything, and then when you go in through the side entrance, you need to clear out all the AI, of course. You need to check as well, there can be AI roaming in front of the main entrance, so be aware of that. You want to go into this room, which is called the IT office. And then the door is already opened this time, but we can open the door up using the screenshot and the keys that we have. Usually for this room it's the last one, so the last key. So for me that's 0893, and yeah, that's how you open the door. There you go. You just have to open it up now. And this is the server rack. I mean, there's nothing special inside, no loot, but this is the keypad itself. And I wanted to show you this location. Right, so the next key code location is inside of this tent. For reference, we are next to the training course above the shooting range. Here are the barracks, so the barracks are just over there. The shooting range is behind us, and the infirmary is just in front of us. And once you clear out this position, because there will be AI roaming around, you just want to walk inside this tent, and the code will be on the left side on the table. Just take a screenshot of it. And one thing I forgot to mention in the first one, the codes will be different from time to time you come here, so make sure to take a screenshot every time that you find a code, and you have to look them up every time as well. Alright, so we are just close to one of the keypad locations itself. For reference, there is a labeled spot called Underground Armory. This is where the keypad is located as well. You can see the air control tower just over there. There can be AI on top of the bunker, and I believe there's one guy yapping just above me, so kind of careful if I can see him, but I don't. So the easiest way to come here is probably just crossing the shooting range. Just come on in up top from the old service gate, look for the key itself, and then you can go into the shooting range, vault over here, clear this area, and then you're good. Yeah, I'm just going to ignore that guy. Once you have done that and you have found the key as well, you can enter the key into the keypad itself. For me the key was 6887. That's just how you open up that door. Okay, that guy is still yapping. I believe there's a switch. I hope I can make it a little bit brighter, which I absolutely cannot. But I'm going to show you the loot in this room. There's one military firearms crate here. There's another military gear crate here. There's an ammo box over here as well. Various attachments and like nades are on top of the barrel there. And once we go on the back side, there will be armors inside these boxes. As you can see, on top of the boxes there's even more loot and even more attachments as well. Another ammo box here and another military firearms crate. So this is a pretty huge room, honestly, that you don't want to miss out on. And I'm going to show you the next location in a second. Alright, so this is the second keypad location that we're at right now. we're looking at the air control tower, which is located on the south side of Fort Narith. If you just want to come to this place itself, I recommend coming in at Delta 3 and vaulting over here. There will be a spot where you can vault over the wall. Then you can just come to the air control tower itself. And once you've arrived here, you need to be careful because there's AI all around. There's like guards guarding the outside part and even the inside part. Don't be curious, I just turned up the gamma so you can see because it is light right now, but I turned up the gamma so the video is actually not very dark. Right, so once you come upstairs, you want to head into the first left room, and then there will be a folder here on the table, and the code is 3962, so we have to remember that. And you just walk down the hallway, there will be another staircase down here, and then you will come up on the roof itself. And you have to be careful because there's AI, one was to the right and one was to the left, I already cleared it out. And then, when you're on the roof itself, you want to be really careful here, because the AI from the staircase of the HQ will shoot you and the roof will shoot you. I already kind of made sure that there's nothing left over, so I can just enter the code now, which was 3962. 962. And yeah, that's how you open the door. There's one problem though, because you will need a key to unlock the air control tower main room. If you want to look inside, there will be one military firearms crate there and another crate below the table, which is probably a gear crate, and that's how you unlock this door. Alright, so this concludes it for the video. I showed you all 3 locations of keypads and key codes that I know of in Fort Narith. I've been through the place multiple times and I didn't stumble up on more things, so I think that should be it for Fort Narith. And yeah, there's some pretty good loot inside the Underground Armory. If you have the key, there will be even more loot in the air control tower itself. So if you have the key, good luck with trying to open the door yourself. And in general, good luck with trying out all these different keys yourself. And one thing that I wanted to repeat, these codes change every time you like every 20 minutes or so. All these keys change, maybe not 20 minutes, I'm not sure what the time intervals are, but these keys change. So if you screenshot the keys out of this video, this won't help you. You actually have to go through all the places and claim the codes. I think I said it once already in the video, but I just wanted to repeat it. If this video helped you out to find some juicy loot or to explore the world even more, then let me know in the comments down below. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.